My name is Meng Wang. I'm a postdoc working with Dr. Sarina Ergas at the University of South Florida in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, the College of Engineering. And my research interest is in the areas of biological wastewater treatment, resource recovery, and environmental sustainability. I started working on the anaerobic treatment since my graduate school in China. I worked on the anaerobic treatment of the pulp and paper wastewater using the UASB reactors. And I always thought the anaerobic treatment is a direct way to recover the energy and the resource from the waste streams. So that leads to my research in many aspects of the and applications of the anaerobic process. So this Hinkley Center project on the high solid anaerobic digestion is another opportunity to look at the different applications of the anaerobic process, treating the solid waste, especially the organic fraction of solid waste, which provide more opportunity for the resource recovery and also the energy recovery from the waste streams. So with the growth of the population, every place around the world facing the challenges of the limited resources. So, and also a lot of challenging in the waste treatment. So it's very important to find a sustainable way to recover the energy and the resources from the different waste streams. And the solid waste, especially the organic part, is a great portion of it, which will produce some downstream impact on the groundwater through the leachate percolation of the solid that need to be treated. So recovering the resource and energy from the solid waste is a very critical issue, and we want to find a way to address this issue and also using this experience to be applicable to other places around the world. So I worked on the anaerobic process over 10 years. So I always thought this is a good approach to recover the energy and also the resource from the waste. And coming here at the University of South Florida with the funding provided through the Hinkley Center, there's the opportunity to utilize this technology for the solid waste management. So I'm very excited about this opportunity and also want to use the anaerobic process to treat the different types of waste and also improve the environmental sustainability. I have been working with Dr. Ergas for 5 years, and I've been working on different projects. Besides this Hinkley Center project, I have been working on the wastewater treatments by the algal bacteria consortia and nutrient recovery from the anaerobic digestion of the livestock waste and also the energy and resource recovery from the fish waste. And working with Dr. Ergas, she's also a mentor and provide a lot of opportunities for me. And also, I have many ideas to using the different technologies to address the critical issues in the energy consumption in wastewater treatment processes. And she is also very supportive for my ideas. So we are very productive as a group, generate many publications and also lead to other funding sources. And also we are currently applying patent from one of our process. I think Hinkley Center provides an important role in bridging the academia and also the industrial sectors. So we got the funding to do some research and have some creative ideas how to manage the solid waste, and also address the critical needs from the industrial partner. And also, along with this program, we are able to deliver our research to a broader audience. And in this way, we can have a broad impact of our research and also move the research forward. I will be very excited to see for the pilot or full-scale application of our research on the high solids anaerobic digestion of the food waste, yard waste, and the biosolids. So there are a few very exciting things I found through the Hinkley Center project. The first one is even we anticipated some challenges for the high solids anaerobic digestion, but it's really challenging when solve them in the real practice, especially in the lab scale reactor, and with some strings about the size and also the mass. So I'm very excited that we can overcome some of these challenges by the brainstorm and also change different design using the different engineering processes. And the other very exciting aspect is that how we are also able to bridge the Hinkley Center, the Hillsborough County, and also other industrial sectors involved in this project. And also, I'm very excited to move this project forward, hopefully to have some real application in the near future. I think Hinkley Center is a very important agency that bridge the universities and also the industrial sectors and also the government agencies. So we are able to work together to solve the critical issues in the solid waste management. So I think it's very important to have this agency and also provide opportunities for different sectors. I think for me, I gained more experience through the project and also working with Dr. Ergas and learn different aspects about the research, and also as a mentor, as an educator, and also I got the chance to work with different industrial sectors to learn more about the needs for the industrial sector. So in the future, we can have a better understanding of the needs of the industry and also adjust our research as our practice along the line of the needs for the industry. So I think it's every sectors working together so we can address these critical issues like the more stringent discharge limits and more waste produced. So we can find a sustainable way and in a system level for these questions. And I used to work in the wastewater treatment site, so Hinkley Center provided me an opportunity to enter the world of the solid waste management, and for the waste management part and also potential in the future for the landfill leachate treatment. That's another interest aspect I'm working on. So Hinkley Center just broaden my research area and also provide more opportunity to understand the whole system for the waste management.